These small battery operated 1x panels have been a game changer for home studios and for shooting. But if you're looking to make a kind of a big difference in the way the light looks, I definitely think about getting a diffuser. This diffuser is a Neweer. It's a panel specifically designed for these. Just pops up, has these great little arms that you just kind of fold out. On it's secure, and it adds this perfect kind of amount of light to make your subjects look more appealing. So if you're doing any kind of product photography, shooting jewelry or anything that you need to fill, these little soft boxes are a great way to make those little 1x's look even better.